This over here is a spacious living and dining area, and you have your kitchen in this corner. And see, this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Ashirwad Avenue by the Rival developers located in Goregaon West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual location and the actual tower of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. Also, you can see the road to the right leads you to Goregaon railway station and the road to the left leads you to Jogeshwari. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now speaking of the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.36 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 23 floors, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 10 plus amenities that will include a gym, garden, yoga zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, you can see right behind me is the actual tower where you can see the construction is in full swing. And speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Siddharth Nagar near Vivek College, Goregaon West, from where SV Road is at a distance of 4 to 5 minutes. You have Infinity Mall is at a distance of 10 minutes and you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Now before entering into the sample flat, let me tell you that I am standing at the actual lobby of the project. This is the actual lobby in the actual tower, and now we will be entering into the 2 BHK of the residential project Ashirwad Avenue. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 606 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can easily place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also in the living, you will be getting French windows for beautiful views from your living area. And in this corner, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4-people dining table and enjoy meal time with your family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area. You also have so much of open space that you can customize as per your choice. And you have your kitchen in this corner where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can also see you have space provided to place your refrigerator, and you can see your kitchen is very spacious where easily 2 people can work at the very same time. Again, you have space provided to place your washing machine in this corner. You have water outlet provided, and in the kitchen you will be getting ventilation windows as well. Moving forward, over here we have the entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right next to your common washroom is your common bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your common bedroom. You can easily place your queen or king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can see you have wardrobe space provided that is also very spacious. And you can also customize your TV unit, or you can also customize a makeup corner and a study corner, and again you will be getting French windows in your bedroom. Now before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's enter into the master bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can see your wardrobe space provided, that is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want. Again, you can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner or a study corner, and you will also be getting French windows in your master bedroom. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ashirvad Avenue by Dhariwal Developers. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ashirvad Avenue by Dhariwal Developers located in Goregaon West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.